Think keto is only for meat lovers? Think again. You can absolutely enjoy the benefits of a ketogenic lifestyle while sticking to a plant-based diet. The key is knowing how to balance your macros without relying on meat or fish. If you're ready to embrace a low-carb, high-fat way of eating while staying true to your vegetarian roots, let's dive into everything you need to know. The ketogenic diet focuses on drastically reducing carbohydrates while increasing healthy fats and moderate protein intake. The goal? To put your body into ketosis, a metabolic state where fat becomes your primary energy source. This shift can lead to weight loss, increased mental clarity, steady energy levels, and even improved blood sugar control. For vegetarians, making keto work requires strategic planning to ensure you're getting enough essential nutrients. So, what can you eat on a vegetarian keto diet? Unlike traditional keto, which often includes animal proteins and fats, a plant-based approach focuses on nutrient-dense, low-carb vegetarian-friendly options. These include healthy fats like avocados, nuts, seeds, coconut oil, and full-fat dairy products. High-protein options include eggs, cheese, Greek yogurt, tofu, tempeh, and seitan. Non-starchy vegetables like spinach, kale, zucchini, and bell peppers should also be staples in your meals. One of the biggest benefits of vegetarian keto is its ability to keep your blood sugar stable while providing long-lasting energy. Because you're cutting out high-carb foods like grains and sugars, your body avoids those energy crashes that come from carb-heavy meals. Additionally, a well-balanced vegetarian keto diet can help with weight management, digestion, and reducing inflammation. Starting vegetarian keto may feel overwhelming, but with a little preparation, it becomes second nature. First, clean out your pantry and remove high-carb vegetarian foods like bread, pasta, rice, and sugary snacks. Then, stock up on keto-friendly vegetarian staples. Meal prepping is also key. Having ready-made meals ensures you stay on track. And don't reach for carb-heavy options. One of the biggest challenges vegetarians face on keto is getting enough protein without relying on meat. The good news? There are plenty of vegetarian protein sources that fit within the keto guidelines. Tofu and tempeh are excellent choices along with eggs and dairy. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and hemp seeds, also provide a good protein boost while keeping carbs low. Tracking your macros is essential to staying in ketosis. A typical vegetarian keto diet consists of around 70% fat, 25% protein, and 5% carbs. Apps can help you track your food intake to ensure you're maintaining the right balance. Keep your daily carb intake between 20 and 50 grams to maintain ketosis and enjoy the full benefits of this lifestyle. One of the best things about vegetarian keto is that you can still enjoy delicious and satisfying meals. Think creamy avocado and spinach salad, grilled halloumi with zucchini noodles, or a rich coconut curry with tofu. You can even indulge in keto-friendly vegetarian desserts like chocolate avocado mousse or almond flour pancakes. A plant-based keto lifestyle is not only possible but also incredibly rewarding. By making mindful food choices and focusing on whole, nourishing ingredients, you can experience the benefits of ketosis while sticking to a vegetarian diet. Ready to give vegetarian keto a try? What's the first plant-based keto meal you're excited to make? Share your thoughts in the comments.